Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please switch off your all electronic equipments, including laptops and cell phones. Smoking is not permitted in the duration of flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached our initial flight level, 35,000 feet. You can use approved electronic equipment for in-flight entertainment. Flight attendant will be in service shortly, offering cookies and beverages. Weather conditions are good and we are expecting our arrival on time. Sit back and enjoy the flight. Thanks for choosing our airline.